Welcome to the National Museum of the Philippines here in Bohol.
The Bohol Museum, officially known as the National Museum of the Philippines Bohol, is housed in the former provincial capital building and showcases the rich cultural heritage of Bohol, reflecting its historical significance and architectural beauty.
Remnants of posts made from hardwood retrieved from the shore of Jiwanam Baclayan.
Founded by Jesuit priests in 1596, Baclayan Church is one of the oldest stone churches in the Philippines, with the current choral structure completed in 1727. Its massive walls were famously bounded using a mortar made of coral stones and millions of eggs, whites hauled by thousands of laborers, although severely damaged by a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in 2013. The church underwent a meticulous 5-year restoration and was fully reopened as a National Cultural Treasure in 2018.
The fishing tradition in Baclayan Bohol is deeply rooted in the local culture and is a significant part of the community livelihood. The fishermen perform various rituals to ensure a successful catch, reflecting their deep connection with the sea and their respect for the natural world. These rituals are a testament to a fisherman's resilience and adaptability as they continue to adapt to modern fishing techniques while preserving their traditional practices.
On the morning of October 15, 2013, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the island province of Bohol and Cebu. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council (NDRMC) estimated that 703,324 families were affected by the earthquake. The toll of human lives in Central Visayas involved in 222 dead and 976 injured.
Bolano fisherfolks use bigwigs, a small lightweight boat with a single or double outrigger. The single outrigger enables the paddle to approach the riverbank at closer distance, which is practical when transporting nipa shells. It was widely used in Visayas and Mindanao because it is easy to maneuver, design, and sleek wooden hull to break waves. In fact, the action words bigwig means to run exit quickly. This is type of boat commonly seen in Mariboc Bay and going to riverbanks of Cortes.
Evolution of Bohol Island. Bohol formed in the late Jurassic 160 to 145 million years ago. Only Mount Malibalibod and nearby areas were above water made of schist. By the end of the Cretaceous 60 million years ago, the northeast rose with volcanoes and serpentine deposits seen in Diorio, Alasia, Dagohoy, and Mabini. In the Paleogene, 60 million years ago, land expanded due to diorite intrusion in Talibon. After pause until Miocene, 20 million years ago, uplift and volcanism added limestone and andesite, Hagna Anda Kandihay, and sedimentation left only the eastern half exposed. The southeast emerged in the early Pliocene 5 million years ago with Sierra Bolognese limestone in Garcia Hernandez, Anda, Hagna, and Pilar. By late Pliocene to Pleistocene 3.6-1.8 million years ago, Bohol took its current shape. Conglomerate formed in Mabini and Maribohok. Limestone created the Chocolate Hills today. Limestone covered nearly half the island including Panglao.